Hello traders, welcome back. It is Wednesday, the 7th day of August. You all are welcome back. So please, if you are stopping by for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. We basically share our trade ideas every day on Forex pairs and then Bitcoin as well. And then if you are returning, thank you very much. Welcome back. So last week we were talking about all our trades were basically on CHF because of CHF strength in recent time. You know, CHF has been very strong in recent time, and we've been taking advantage of that for about 2 weeks plus now. So on Thursday rather, on Wednesday, so Swiss franc, that is, let me see, at the end of last week, yeah. At the end of last week, CHF had crossed a very significant point on the chart. You know, you can see this. This is a CADCHF. You can see that it crossed this level right here, and I had marked it out on Sunday, expecting that the market would come tasty and then continue the movement to the downside or taste. But then if it tastes and cross, then it is moving all the way up. So these cut across all the CHF pairs. You know, let me show you what they look like. All of them, they've crossed a very serious level. You know, you can see this here. You know, it crossed this. So this is a New Zealand dollar CHF. You know, you can see it has crossed, and then, you know, I was expecting it because on Friday last week it gave this long rejection here. You know, it is on all CHF pairs, all on Friday. We got this massive rejection here. So this rejection signaled me that there is going to be a buying force, you know, then to come retest this level. So this is New Zealand dollar CHF. You can see here as well. You can see this is an Aussie dollar CHF. You can see it is almost at the point already at this level here. I marked it out. Then you come to GBP, same thing. Almost all of them. You know, look at this on GBP here. Already it is there, or maybe it might be coming all the way up to this point. Let's see. So that is it. So and you can see the rejection here as well on Friday, the Friday rejection that is making me think of you know, having you know, buying this pair up to somewhere around there, but we've been selling all along because of CHF strength, and CHF are mostly put currencies. So that is why we've been selling them. So, and then you come to USD as well. You can see the rejection here. You can see the movement to the upside after crossing this level, you know, this significant level here. So we're expecting a movement to the upside. So that is what we are looking out for. And then on Tuesday rather, let me go to trades I took yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. So I have been trading CAD-CHF because recently CAD has been, you know, mounting some kind of strength, and that is what we are beginning to take advantage of now. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. We spot out you know, pairs that have strength, and then we begin to, you know, talk about them here for people to take advantage of them. That's basically what we do here. So let me get to the, you know, this is what I've been you know, trading this CAD-CHF. Let me get to the 15 minutes time frame and show you what I've been doing. I did it on Monday evening. You know, I've gotten 3 successful trades here already. So yeah, look at this. Now, how did I get on this? This was on around 4 on Monday. You know, I got this cross here. You know, look at this line here. Look at this, you know, movement here. So I got this cross here. I joined, and then I took my profit here, about 30 pips. Then again, it retraced here. Sorry, it retraced here. Then I knew that, okay, this psychological level again was already giving, you know, hard time. So when it started moving up, I had to join here again, and then I made a profit of about 30 something pips. Then yesterday in the morning, I spotted another movement. Although I spotted this movement on Aussie dollar. Yeah, on Aussie dollar here. Yeah, okay, look at it here. Yeah, it is still there even. So I noticed a cross of this zone, a cross of this line here again. I joined again, and then I took my profit here. This was profit for about 30 pips too. I was risking just about 13 pips. So It was profitable here again, and then that is it. 3 trades for this week already, and all successful. But I'm not trading Oxy dollar because of Oxy dollar has crossed. It is almost at this zone here, which is a resistance. So anything can happen here. So I better stay clear from it. So let me go to my trade ideas for today. Our trade ideas for today is starting from CAD. Yeah. CADCHF, so what are we expecting? You can see the line already. It crossed it, yesterday, then yesterday night, and had made this movement here. And then what am I expecting? I'm expecting to buy it further. Yes. And I'm expecting to buy it either at this point here. You can see, yeah, this is a good place to buy this. You buy here, then you make your stop below this psychological level here. But then that will be risking about 25 pips, and that is too big. That is too big for me. I don't risk up to that. So, but then the best place for this trade would have been immediately we got this cross, from this point here. Now, the reason I want to buy from this point is this. Let me explain that. Immediately we got this cross of this psychological level right here, and this line, immediately we got this cross here. From this point, we're supposed to get a retracement, retracement to this point, which we, react, because there has been a reaction here and a couple of reactions here. And then you can see this as well. So there was supposed to be a movement to this point. Then from this point, we get a reaction that will give us about 50 pips up or 30 pips up. So this is what the market was supposed to do, but then that didn't happen. What happened was this. You see this struggle right here. It's a little bit of, I call it the consolidation. Look at it here. Just happened here a couple of minutes or a couple of hours. Then it's continued, to the upside, showing that the pressure here is very hard. That is why I'm telling you that the CAD is mounting some pressure. And that is the advantage of what we do here. We give you these ideas for free. CAD is strengthened now. Canadian dollar is strong now. Whatever you are doing, try to think about buying the CAD. So this is our first trade idea. We are hoping to buy from this point. And then, so that is number one, CHF weakness. And then the reason we are considering this is because of the CAD strength. And then you see that CAD still has a little bit of, space to move to the upside before it gets to this level right here, because I'm expecting a movement. Remember what I had said earlier, that I was expecting a movement after the rejection on Friday. So I'm expecting a movement to the upside to touch this here before we begin to know if it is going to continue to the downside or it is going to cross and then continue to the upside. So that is why, and amongst all the pairs, the CAD CHF is the best, because first of all, CAD is having some strength, and then CAD is having enough space to move into up here compared to other pairs. So that is why I'm considering, have been taking trades on this particular pair here. Now let's go over to the next trade idea is on, New Zealand dollar. And the reason you can see that New Zealand dollar has a whole lot of strength here. You can see that, this is too powerful. So we got a cross here, then there was no, retesting, even then this continued. Now, here, what again am I expecting here? Now, this here crossed this psychological level here. You can see the psychological level here. You can see as well the movement somewhere around here. You can see that. So it means that this psychological level is quite a strong one. Then what am I expecting is, let this come here and then give me a reaction here. Then I'll join this trade and then make my stop below here, which will be about 15 pips, 20 pips, from here. Then I'm targeting about from 30 up to this zone. So that is what I'm expecting on this pair as well. So, and the catalyst here is just the retracement I had talked earlier. Yeah, the retracement I had talked earlier on CHF, maybe get to this point, begin to react again to come down. That is the catalyst for this. That's the reason for this trade right here. Then the next one I'm having is US dollar CAD. So we start from the bigger time frame, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yeah, and this was where I was able to spot out the Canadian dollar strength. So let me start from the 4 hours time frame, bigger time frame. So now if you look at the 4 hours time frame, you can see this massive rejection here. And this rejection, you can see that, okay, my analysis on this pair was that this pair is coming up and then you, sorry about that. You know that at any level I'm targeting, I always put it on a thick blue psychological level. And you can see this thick blue psychological level right here. And this one here. So this has been stubborn, wasn't able to cross it down. Then moving up, I knew that it was going to react here. So, and this is a, you see, it reacted here before, reacted here. Then if you keep going back, yeah, you can see reactions here. So this thick blue psychological level here has been a significant point. So I knew that any touch there would signal a movement to the downside. And then look at what happened again. You know, I'm trying to let you know how I spotted out the strength in CAD. Now, which day was this again? You see, this was on Friday. Yeah, sorry, on Monday. We got this massive rejection on this particular thick blue line, right? Now you see this massive rejection. Now after this massive rejection, you can see that an M pattern formed here. Look at it here. And you know that an M pattern always signals a change of a bullish trend to a downtrend. Now look at this. This is a clear M, right? And then it has tested the neckline, the neckline again. You can see this, right? That's neckline is for let's say head and shoulder, but yeah. But then you see it has tested this area again, and this was the best place to have sold this. Then from this point, it came again, broke this level right here. You know, you can see it is thick here. I have a line there. Then it broke it again. On breaking it, what is it telling me? It's telling me that CAD is officially strengthened, right? CAD is officially strengthening. So what am I expecting here is a movement to here. Then I will begin to, you know, sell this pair USD Canadian dollar. We'll begin to sell it to the downside, at least to the psychological level here again. Then once it crosses again, retest again, going to, you know, continue. That is it for this pair. I believe you understand what I'm saying. So this is very clear, you know, very clear. What I'm expecting here now is just a touch here, and then we begin to sell it further. That is basically it. So on the 15 minutes time frame, yeah, you can see it here. There is absolutely nothing difficult, nothing. You can see it. So what I'm expecting is, yeah, this movement should continue. Maybe if I get a reaction here even, yeah, here, somewhere around here. If I get a reaction here, I will enter to bring it down. Then I'll be, okay, this place, yeah, this is a good place. And then I'll be risking about 15 pips. That would be a stop here. Yes. So that's what I'm expecting on this pair, but the catalyst is CAD strength, CAD strength, CAD strength, CAD strength. So that is it for this pair. So then let's get over to the next. The next is the Euro CHF. Please, if you're coming across for the first time, welcome, and then subscribe to our channel. If you're a returner, thank you very much. You're welcome back. So, so this is the next one here. Yeah, this is on Euro CHF. So the way I'm expecting to trade this pair will be after a cross of this line right here. You know, you can see this. You can see this. You can see this. So I'm expecting a movement from here now. You know, this is a psychological level already, but then it's not enticing to buy from this point, right? I'll prefer, according to my trading strategy, I would prefer a cross off here, retest, and then boom to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting on this pair. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. So let's get over to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I had said something on Bitcoin. I think I even did a short video on that. Please try to watch the short video. I think I said I summarized my biases on Bitcoin on that video, please. Now, yes, if you could remember last week, I had said if Bitcoin should cross 62,000, 63,000, it was coming to 48,000, 50,000. I said that last week. And then on Monday or Sunday rather, we got that already. That's the early hours of Monday. We got that already. So now what else is going to happen here is this. Now, this bullish trend, this movement you are seeing to the upside is a temporary one, very temporary, very, very temporary. You must be careful, you know. I said it on that short video. So look at what you're expecting here from this point, then it is coming further down. And it will be coming to about 45,000. So be on guard. Yes, be on guard. The bullish trend for this year, for this season, is over. So any movement to the upside is going to be a temporary one, a short one, a retracement one to the upside, and then we begin to get the movement to the downside. So whatever we're looking for on Bitcoin is for a sell, 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 sell. Thank you very much for staying to this point. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. So let's go to news. And today on Forex Factory, today is Wednesday. You can see it is a totally free day, no news. But then let's go to Forex. Let's go to investment.com. So investment.com tells us that we have some news, but they're not high impact news. But then Forex, investing.com lets us understand that crude oil inventories will be today at 3:30 GMT plus one. We'll be having crude inventories coming from the United States, and then crude oil inventories. Then we'll be having another one in 10-year note auction, yeah, coming from the United States as well. So these are all three-star news. So be careful. Although today our only trade on USD is USDCAD. So we'll see how that goes there. So thank you very much for staying to this point. Do have a great day.